Hi guys, this is Noe here, and today I'm going to help you guys understand the Pythagorean theorem. So, as it states, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So, in other words, in a triangle, these two, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now, in math terms, in other words, this leg, square it, plus this leg, then square it, and then add these two legs, would give you the hypotenuse. So if you guys don't understand that, take this for example. You need peanut butter and jelly to make peanut butter and jelly. Same thing right here. You need a squared and b squared to make c squared. So let's take a real example, alright? So let's say you have this. You need to find x, or the hypotenuse, or c, whichever you want to use. Well, all you have to do is plug in the numbers again. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared, right? So let's plug it in. A equals 4 and b equals 8, and we square it to get 4 squared equals 16 and a squared equals 64. And we add these. Remember, add them, don't multiply them, okay? There's a big difference, okay? And you get a result of 80. Now remember, we're trying to find x, alright? Not c squared, alright? In other words, we need to find this variable right here. But we don't know it because this is c squared. So all we have to do is square it. We need to find the square root, in other words. So we find the square root, and if you use a calculator, the answer would be 8.9, rounded, somewhere like that. Now, what happens if all of a sudden you need to find, or you need to simplify this expression right here? Well, find for factors of 80. So, for example, there's 4 times 20, 8 times 10, or you know what? Better, 5 times 16, and we're going to use that one right there. So we input it in, we get 516. Now remember, when the 16 out here, you have to square it in a way too, okay? And you get a result of 4 with the square root of 5. So that would be your simplified version of this one. But let's say, for example, right here, we're missing this leg, but we have the measure for this one right here. Well, it's simple right there. If you have this expression, if you have 8.9 as the hypotenuse, all you have to do is same thing, just do the reverse. So in other words, flip these numbers, take this one out, and since you're taking this one out, you have to do the opposite of addition. You have to subtract. You have to subtract this number from this number. So once you do that, you will get this leg right here. Now, for example, let's say you have this expression right here, and you can't figure it out for some reason. It is kind of hard, but let's take it step by step, alright? So right here, we got right here, and now we have to multiply by this same number to get 16. Now, we have to multiply these to get 80. Simple as that. Now you may be asking, well, what? Wait, go slower. Alright. Well, think about this. This number is reduced half. So, for the square root of, or if you square it, so let's say you put the 2 right here, you have to multiply by 4 again. So you get 16. And now, since these two are labeled like this, we need to multiply them to get 80. Now remember, we do remember that this right here is b squared, and that's the inverse of the Pythagorean theorem states. C squared minus b squared equals a squared. Or it could be the opposite. It depends on the legs right here, okay, and the measures. So you subtract 80 minus 64 to get 16. Now remember, you're getting the squared version of a, but we need to find a by itself. So we find the square root of 16, and voila, you get 4, the leg side, the leg length. So, or a. So right here, that would be 4. That would be, so it would be like this. 4 squared plus a squared would equal this. Or, in other cases, this right here. So if you have any other problems or you have any other questions about this, please feel free to leave a question in the comment section below. And we will be analyzing other problems similar in math. Hope you guys enjoyed it.